Hi, I'm Kaitie Adams, and this is Willow. Welcome to Hudson, a Savanna Institute agroforestry demonstration farm. Established in 2022, this 120-acre farm features a large windbreak with design variations for both conservation and profit, annual and perennial alley cropping, as well as room for variety trials for heartnut, hazelnut, and elderberry. Let's go check it out. Hudson Demonstration Farm, located near Urbana, Illinois, was established in partnership with landowner Cathe Capel, Canopy Farm Management, and the Savanna Institute in 2022. Nestled among a sea of conventional row crop production, Hudson is a shining example of the multiple options and opportunities that agroforestry can provide. The 20 acres of windbreak planting at Hudson feature both border and internal windbreaks and host 11 different designs and 28 species of trees and shrubs, including elderberry, hazelnut, serviceberry, gooseberry, willows, oaks, black walnut, and a variety of evergreens, just to name a few. This planting is enrolled in the USDA Farm Service Agency and Natural Resource Conservation Services Conservation Reserve Program, or CRP for short. CRP is a set-aside program designed to take vulnerable land out of annual agricultural production and reserve it for conservation for 10 years or longer. This program is a great choice for farmers and landowners interested in protecting their fields with windbreaks because it provides a lot of support, including technical assistance for planning and design, funding to help establish the planting, and a yearly rental payment from the USDA for the length of the contract. Hudson Farm also includes over 80 acres of alley cropping to showcase the many options of planting trees and woody species into productive agricultural systems. 60 of the alley cropping acres at Hudson feature 5 native timber species planted in both 1-row and 3-row blocks infield, with conventional corn and soybean production on either side. As part of our research program, the row-cropped alleys are planted in 3 different widths, 40 foot, 80 foot, and 120 feet, to track how alley size affects both conservation and production yields. Savanna Institute operates the alley cropping system at Hudson in partnership with a local row crop farmer who is excited to try these innovative practices. The remaining 30 acres features 2 different perennial alley cropping systems. On 15 of those acres, we've planted elderberry, blackcurrant, and heartnut shrubs between rows of nut trees. The spacing for this system is designed to accommodate mechanical harvesting of blackcurrants, which are planted on mounds to accommodate their drainage needs. On the remaining 15 acres, we plant a mixed production and conservation alley cropping system. Here, instead of productive agricultural crop in the alleys between tree rows, we've planted herbaceous ground cover and pollinator habitat for conservation. The pollinator habitat alleys are enrolled in CRP, the same program that supports the windbreak planting. This design provides vital habitat for endangered pollinators and allows farmers to see options for incorporating conservation directly infield rather than just along the farm edges, where they typically appear. The innovative work at Hudson Farm operates under a 50-year lease agreement that protects both the Savanna Institute and the landowner, and provides clear pathways for the many ways the land can grow and change over time. Hudson is part of a network of demonstration farms operated by the Savanna Institute in Illinois and around the Midwest. These demonstration farms serve as a learning hub for farmers and landowners who want to add agroforestry to the sustainable farming practices. We'd love to see you at a community gathering at Hudson Farm this growing season. Check out our website, savannainstitute.org/events, for opportunities to visit a demonstration farm or apply for technical service.